Severson. Alan Ray Severson. Your vitals check out just fine. All you need to do now is wake up. I wonder what you did to deserve these.
Hey, Pam. Oh, what do we have here? What's his deal? He's cute.
Head trauma. He's been in a coma since he got here last night. Maybe he'll wake up when you're on shift. He is your type.
Not true. I wouldn't say I have a specific type.
What about Aaron, the drug dealer?
Okay. He was not a drug dealer so much as a visionary on the forefront. Maybe, but not really a drug dealer.
Uh-huh. And what about Colin? I seem to remember his penchant for fast-moving cars. But you know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe he's just a misunderstood, goal-oriented man trying to earn a spot in the Guinness Book of World Records for speeding tickets and moving violations. And then there was Jimmy, the bouncer, right?
Fine. I like my men a little rough around the edges. What about this guy, though? He doesn't look like such a bad guy.
I'd say the shiny bracelets and the 24-hour vigil kept by our city's finest make him an eligible bachelor for you.
Notice these. I said cute before. I'm gonna have to say hot now.
That's so.
Although, he looks like a good guy to me.
And I suppose you can tell from him laying unconscious in a hospital bed?
You can? Keep up.
Oh God, what happened? What's the matter with me? You, what's the matter with you? Oh, gotta get it together. It's gonna be okay. You hear me? It's gonna be okay. I'm here now. We're gonna be just fine. It was dark and empty before, but I'm back. I'm back with you. We're here together. You just need to wake up. Everything's gonna work out. I promise. Just wake up. Oh no. What are these? What did you do? Oh, what are these? What did you do to us? After everything we've been through? Why didn't you listen to me? You never listen to me anymore. I could have helped us. You're so much better than this. You deserve so much more than this. These are not you, not us. There's so much good in you. We could be anything together. And now look at you. Why? Why? Wake up! Tell me! Why? I'm going to sit right here. I will be right here when we wake up. You can't push me away this time. I'm stronger. We'll get through this together. You'll see. We'll make things right. Whatever you did, we'll fix it. And then we can go back to doing what we love. Teaching. Your students, I know they miss you. You were always their favorite teacher. You were always so good to them.
Okay, Mr. Severson. No, too formal. I'm gonna call you Alan. Let's see what happened to you. Head trauma, fractured cranium, internal bleeding. I'd say when you wake up, you're gonna have one hell of a headache. No notes on cause of injury. I'll have to ask the doctor what he knows. Maybe you fought the law.
And the law won. He fought the law, and the law won. How's our patient faring?
Seems fine. Vitals all check out. Just needs to wake up.
Might be better for everyone if he doesn't.
Why? Who is he?
Can't say. The detectives were tight-lipped on this one. We're supposed to let them know just as soon as he wakes up, though. If ever he does. I keep telling them that he's got less than a 40% chance of coming out of this.
Shh. Doctor, he might might be able to hear you. Let's give him a little bit of hope. Besides, I don't think he looks like such a bad guy. No tats, no piercings. Handsome. Ordinary handsome.
I'm not sure I trust your judgment on that. Whatever happened to that bouncer boyfriend of yours? I haven't treated him in some time.
No, we're not together anymore. Thank you very much.
Well, if he does come around, the patient, that is, under no circumstances are you to speak with him. Do you understand?
Yes, doctor. I'm not worried, though. Seems harmless.
You heard me. I'll be back a little later to check on him. Page me if his condition changes.
Yes, doctor, I will. Okay, Alan. Let's prove that doctor wrong, huh? All you need to do is wake up. You should probably make it when it's on my shift. And sleep tight. Not too tight.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord would go fuck himself! Wake the fuck up! We're not done yet. We've got work to do. Oh, catatonic and happy, you poor bastard. The longer you lay here, the more of this we're missing out on. Oh, a beautiful world full of the sweet smell of death. Empty prayers to a dead God, pleading for one more breath, one more chance. Loved ones, fear welling up behind their eyes as they watch their beloveds rife with pain teeter on the edge of life. This place is fantastic. We only get a chance to capture this fear, this looming fragrance of decay, one little soul at a time, but here, it's everywhere. I think we missed our calling. Doctors. Dr. Severson has a nice ring to it, don't you think? That white coat they wear would be a perfect cover, cloaking our feverish desire to feel their pain as we watch the last vestiges of life escape their lips. They would never know what we are. Wake up! I need you. Without you, I am nothing. A half-thought that is grasped at and never found. I need you. We need us. Before me, you were nothing. I opened our eyes, transformed you into something beautiful, into what we were born to be. You awoke once from the pathetic life you so desperately clung to. Do it again for me. Wake up! I'm awake. Who are you? You. No. Who are you? And why can you hear me and they can't? I am me. You. And him. I've been waiting a long time to meet you. I don't know you. What's going on here? You disappoint me. I thought you would be smarter. I don't know who you think you are, but I think you should go. I can't. Any more than you can. We're the same. Two separate parts of the one whole. Wait. You're telling me that you and I, us, we? No, that's not right. We? Really? Bravo! As a soulless rule follower, you don't need to do much free thinking, do you? Then you're responsible for this. You put him here. He put himself here. With your help. He still has your pathetic, doesn't-do-right tendencies. If it were up to me, we'd still be sipping a vintage cognac at Miss Atherby's, watching her blood paint a mural across her Persian rug. What? We don't do that. Oh, please tell me you didn't hurt Miss Atherby. We loved her. We did do it. We enjoyed it. Every minute of it. No. We made art from the wreckage of her piteous life. You, me, him, us. No, we're not the same. You were vile, evil, an abomination. Oh, I knew something was wrong. I couldn't put my finger on it. I'd black out, and then when I came to... No, it can't be. How can we both be Alan Ray Severson? We don't hurt people. I don't believe you. I would remember these things. I would know. Try, and you will remember. It's all there. It's not true. No. It's not true. No. Search yourself. It feels good. No. Accept the truth. Stop it. Stop. No, it's not true. No. God. Oh, God, no. Oh, God. Oh, God, no. Oh. You killed them. All of them. It was you. Rape. Murder. Torture. It was you. Not us. Not me. Not me. It was us! I am not capable of those things! We are not capable of it! You still choose ignorance over acceptance. You really are the perfect cover for us. A school teacher. A real giver. Pays all his taxes, donates to charities, follows all the rules. An almost flawless veil obscuring our true identity, don't you think? Who would ever suspect of us? I should thank you. We didn't do any of that for you. What you are is not his true self. You are a brain tumor, a chemical imbalance, an abhorrence, something unnatural. We do not do those things. Not unnatural. We've been with him his whole life. Before, he kept us partitioned in his mind from one another. But look at us now. Together as one. Never. You will never be part of us. You are a scourge that needs to be removed, eradicated. And I suppose Mr. Tenderheart here is going to do that. You're a weakling. Besides, even if you could, it goes against your very nature. It's my nature to do good. Only killing? Don't stop. You're one step closer, uniting us in one. Yes.
Somebody get in here
work, ladies. What happened to you?
He bit me.
Let me see. Oh, God, he got you good. Keep pressure on that. Let me grab some bandage.
Yeah, clean that out for her real well. I'm going to send you some antibiotics. Let her clean you up, and then go home. Finish your shift.
Well, I can finish my shift. I'm fine.
No, I told you go home. That's an order. And you, I want you to treat Mr. Severson from now on every 15 minutes. And I want him in full restraints. And bring another nurse in with you. I don't want anybody alone with him in this room.
We're short-staffed as it is right now. We can't afford to double up on coverage every time we come in here, especially if she's going home.
Fine. You finish your shift. But I want only you treating Mr. Severson from here on out. But I still want both of you present at all times that you come into this room. Are we clear?
Yes, doctor.
I'll be back a little later. Page me if he starts seizing again.
Keep some pressure on that. Let me put the restraints on him.
Thanks. I can use all the hours I can get right now. Oh man, I can't believe that he did that. That was terrifying.
I bet.
And I wasn't gonna straddle him.
Come on, let's get you cleaned up a bit.
You almost killed us. Didn't think you had it in you. We're not so different after all. Screw you! Solves that little question. You kill me, you kill both of us. I will find a way to stop you. You've tried that before. Why do you think we're handcuffed to that bed? You don't seem worried. Should I be? You poor, disillusioned fucking imbecile. We can't be separated. We're his genetic makeup. Me, maybe. Me, maybe. You are a series of bad choices. An accidental lapse in otherwise sound judgment. The nurture argument again. Tell me then, what could have possibly happened in our life that would have allowed him to create me? I don't know. There was nothing. No abusive parents. No grade school bullying. Nothing overtly traumatic. Where is the social and environmental conditioning? He must have suppressed those memories, hidden them from us. You're an idiot. This would be a lot easier without you. But it seems like we're gonna have to find a way to work together. I would rather die first. Oh, don't be so melodramatic. So you know about me now. Nothing has really changed. Think about it. Everything has changed. You are undoing all that we are working for. All the good we're trying to put back into the world. We are the balance. You and I. Harmonious, even in our dysfunction. But why? Why do you do it? It's not natural. Why does the spider weave its web? Why do the salmon swim upriver the sky? I am. We are exactly what we were born to be. But you can change. You don't have to kill. Make my art. Nothing makes me feel more alive. Yet, you abstain from hurting yourself. You could satisfy your desires through masochism. Are you too afraid to turn the knife on yourself? On us? Fuck you! I'm afraid of nothing! Then do it! Kill me! Kill us! Why should I even bother? Come on! Do it! Show me how unafraid you are. Shut your mouth! Fear! It makes perfect sense. This all stems from your fear, your insecurities. Fuck you! Your feelings of inferiority driving us to ruin. But I can help you. Underneath this facade is gentleness. I know it's there. I'm as much a part of you as you are of me.
Lies! Quit grasping at straws. I'm exactly what I was designed to be.
You can change. And the lion lay down with the lamb.
I'm glad you finally agree. Knowing that we can coexist is a good start.
Egocentric.
Altruistic. Sadist.
Humanitarian.
You can't have one without the other. You get to continue being whatever sort of pathetic, idealistic asshole you get off on being. And I get to continue my art. You are the rule-bound cover. I am the artistic release.
No. I will stop you. I'll confess to what you've done. Death, imprisonment, a small price to pay to make sure that you no longer have free reign.
You've tried that before. Why do you think we're handcuffed to that bed?
You don't seem worried.
Should I be? You're too predictable. It was not hard to see this coming.
What did you do?
All in good time. Let it suffice to say that I've made arrangements to ensure that we go free. I promise, when we wake, you'll be back in school teaching your precious children within a week.
And you will what? Be murdering their parents?
Come now. They're way too easy to trace, with you being a school teacher. Besides, we prefer the entitled gentry.
I'm gonna stop you. I'm gonna watch you die! Watch us die!
How bad he's doing it again.
Doctor in here.
No! I'm not gonna let you!
Mr. Severson, can you hear me? Are you all right? We're here for you.
I'm gonna watch you die!
I'm right here with you, Mr. Severson.
Don't be foolish! Help me!
Give me 10 cc's of diazepam. Stat.
I can feel your pain!
How long has he been talking?
Since we've had him like this a few minutes ago.
How is he still talking?
His subconscious is in overdrive.
Your fear smells delectable!
Give me another 10 cc's.
He said he was going to watch me die.
He's in a coma. He doesn't even know you're here.
Should we tell the police officer outside?
Chart everything that he says, but don't take it personally. As far as talking to the policeman outside, it won't do any good. This man is unconscious. Write everything down in the chart.
Bleed! You need to bleed! I'm gonna make you.
That was unusual.
He's scaring the shit out of me.
What happened to he looks like a nice guy to me.
I'm not afraid to admit I was dead wrong.
I'm going to have to talk to Dr. Collins about this.
Okay.
Page me if he starts seizing again.
I wasn't going to burst your bubble about Mr. Severson here.
But
I was flirting with a young officer in the hall, and he told me who they think he is.
who is
You know the serial killer the media has been covering the last year?
the uptown slasher? Oh, God. Really?
That's what they think. Reconsidering your decision to finish your shift?
This is really creepy.
You should have heard what he was saying before you and the doctor came in.
Worse than you need to bleed?
He said he was going to watch me die.
Oh, my God. I think I'm gonna need a drink after our shift. Want to join me?
Yeah. But it's going to take more than one.
Know any well-lit bars?
Truce.
Never!
You can't end this.
I will!
Only he can.
He will!
We'll see.
Hello? Hello, anybody out there?
Well, look who's awake. How are you feeling, Mr. Severson?
What? Where am I?
You're in the ICU at the hospital. Oh, my gosh. You suffered quite a head injury. We weren't sure you were going to make it.
What? I don't remember anything. What happened?
The police officer who was here all night said you walked into the local precinct covered in your own blood. You were saying some pretty nonsensical stuff about murals of blood, and then you passed out.
You suffered quite a blow to your head. We're still not sure why or what happened to you.
It's kind of funny, actually. The police thought you were the uptown slasher.
What? I'm a school teacher.
I told you he wasn't a bad guy. You look nice.
Seems a case of mistaken identity, Mr. Severson. Wrong place, wrong time.
They caught the real uptown slasher.
I don't understand. How?
Anonymous tip. It was all over the news. They found all kinds of gruesome evidence in his car.
This feels like a dream.
Not a nightmare?
Just a dream.
You need to get your rest, Mr. Severson. I'm gonna let the doctor know you're awake. He didn't think you were going to make it.
Nurse,
Yes?
thank you. If I had to do this all over again, I would still want your face the first thing I see when I wake.
You rest easy now. Her shift is almost over, but she'll be back with you tomorrow.
She's nice. I'd like to talk to her. Get to know her better.
I wonder what her head would look like on a stick. Let's cut her throat and find out.
I won't let you. I'm gonna end this. End you.
Fool! I told you it would go free. You can't end this. You can only accept it.
I was born with the devil in me. I cannot help the fact that I was a murderer any more than the poet can help the inspiration to sing. I was born with the evil one standing as my sponsor beside the bed where I was ushered into the world, and he has been with me since. But it was choice, a series of choices that led me here. I chose to accept myself for what I am. I embrace who and what I am.
Look down on me, and you will see a fool.
Look up at me, and you will see your Lord.
Look straight at me. You will see yourself.